I finally have the belly that I've always wanted, and it took less than 3 months without any crazy diets, no insane workouts, no diet pills, just this little patch. Not only is my belly slimmer, but I have more energy than I did like 10 years ago. I mean, I have tried a dozen diets and twice as many supplements, but nothing seemed to be working to help get rid of that stubborn belly fat. And my diet was really healthy and I was exercising really regularly, but nothing seemed to be working. It was like I was doing everything right, but I just couldn't lose that last 10 pounds. So I ended up doing a little bit of research on exactly why my stubborn belly fat wouldn't go away, and I stumbled across something called Belly Orb. It's this new herbal supplement that you wear as a topical patch. You just put it on your belly and the natural ingredients start working their magic. I mean, this thing is loaded with healthy prebiotics and fat blockers. Think honey, tangerine peel, licorice, ginger. It's all good stuff, and your body actually absorbs it much better than anything in those diet pills that you're taking because of the way the Belly Orb is designed. It's pretty cool because the ingredients in Belly Orb naturally reduce your appetite and help the body to keep fighting fat. Since wearing mine, I've had way fewer cravings and my belly is looking better than ever. I actually cannot believe how easy it is. Listen to me. You deserve to feel confident and love your body. Don't just look better, feel better. If you're struggling with belly fat, you've got to try Belly Orb.
You guys, I finally have the belly that I've always wanted, and it only took me less than 3 months without any special diet, extreme exercise, or pills. In less than 90 days, this little patch I'm about to tell you about has completely changed my life. Not only am I slimmer, but I have more energy than I did 10 years ago when I was in middle school. I've tried every method to lose my belly fat. It's so stubborn. Like every time I lose weight, it just ends up coming back. I've tried at least a dozen diets and twice as many in random pills I've seen on social media, TV, whatever, but nothing has helped me slim down my belly fat. My diet and lifestyle were generally healthy, but I just couldn't lose weight. And I felt really bad because it's like I felt fat and nothing that I could do, even if it was all the right things, would work. So then I started doing research about why my belly fat wouldn't go away, and I ended up finding something called Belly Orb. It's a new herbal supplement that you wear as a topical patch. You just put it on your belly, and then the natural ingredients start working their magic. It's loaded with healthy prebiotics, fat blockers, all those other really great natural ingredients, all the good stuff. Think tangerine peel, ginger, honey, licorice, and your body can actually absorb those nutrients properly, unlike when you take them in pill form, thanks to the Belly Orb's design. The ingredients in Belly Orb naturally reduce your appetite and help your whole body fight fat. Ever since I've been wearing mine, I've had way fewer cravings and my belly looks so much slimmer. I cannot believe it's that easy. Look, you deserve to feel confident and love your body. And I don't just look better, I feel so much better. So if you're struggling with belly fat, you gotta try this.
I had my son 8 months ago, and it is so hard when you're pumping and nursing, your body wants to hold on to all this belly fat. When you're a mom of 2, you don't have time like you used to go to the gym every day. Let's talk about a few things that I've done personally to help me lose a little bit of my mama weight. I've been drinking more coffee. I've been drinking more water, increasing my cardio just a little bit. I don't deprive myself of things that are necessarily very unhealthy, but I've been limiting them. I also added Belly Orb into the mix. Belly Orb is a game-changing wellness product that has just been released. It's all natural, herbal-based. It's a topical patch. I use this at nighttime. I just put it in my belly button right before I go to sleep. One of the things that I love is that it curbs your appetite. Trust me, I have a long way to go to get back to my pre-mom bod, but I'm proud of how far I've come, and I'm so thankful for Belly Orb for being so quick and convenient and helping me get to where I am today.